Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Grammar Guru. In this video, I am going to explain you another most important grammar concept, and that is change the degree. It is also called by another name, degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison or change the degree is one of the most important grammar topic, as it is part of every examination. At the same time, change the degree is an effective way of making our English presentable and communicable. Change the degree we must learn very nicely so that we can easily write answers. At the same time, our expression in English becomes competitive. So friends, let's start change the degree. The first important point related to degree is that degree in English is actually directly related to adjectives. And if you know friends, adjectives are actually the words. Adjectives are the words that describes the noun. So what do we mean by describes? In grammatical language, it says qualifies the noun. In simple English, we can say a word that gives more information about the noun in the sentence. Based on that, the next important point is that every adjective in English has actually three forms, and based on their forms, we have three types of degrees, such as adjective can be in a positive degree, that is called its base form or the root form. All adjectives in normal form are always in positive, and when adjective in positive form is used, then we say that this particular sentence is in positive degree. At the same time, the second type is a comparative form, and the third one is superlative. When we know that there are three types, positive form of adjective, comparative form of adjective and superlative form of adjective, we must also know that there are different types of adjectives in English, and they have different forms in their three different respective forms, such as first type of adjective is such, where the base form, say for example, is strong. That is the positive form of the adjective. When we change that positive form into comparative, we have to add er as a suffix to the root adjective or the base adjective. So strong becomes stronger, and that is comparative degree. When strong is added with est as a suffix, then it is superlative form. So normally you must know large, larger, largest, strong, stronger, strongest, good, better, best is the second one I have written. Is there any difference between the first and the second? If you carefully see, you will realize that in the first form it is taken erest, in second form also it is erest, but the root form is good. So it is not gooder and goodest over here, it is good has changed to better and best. So there are certain adjectives which have three forms which are completely different. Now if we look at the third example on the board, in the positive column, it is brilliant. Now such adjectives do not take er and est, they are called in English as attributive adjectives. Attributive adjectives are those adjectives which talk about human qualities. When we want to describe a human quality like intelligent, or when if a girl is there, she looks beautiful, handsome, brilliant, intelligent, such adjectives are called attributive adjectives, and they do not take er and est as we have seen in the first two types. So this third type is when the positive form is brilliant, it has to change into comparative. With form of the adjective will remain same, but it will be preceded, means before the adjective you will find the word more. So original word brilliant changes into comparative as more brilliant, and in superlative as most brilliant. So friends, it is clear that there are three types of adjectives. One is called positive forms, comparative form and superlative form, and different types of adjectives are also there which change respectively in their different forms. Now based on this, from exam point of view, if we are looking at change the degree or degrees of comparison, then there are three types of sentences mostly frequently asked as question. Now grammar book does not say type A, type B, type C I have written on the board, but over an experience of more than 25 years of teaching, I have realized that students have to face these three types of sentences in the question paper. So, I have given them names like type A, type B and type C. Let us quickly understand what is type A, B and C. A type A is such a sentence in which the given sentence, say suppose the given sentence is in superlative degree, then the structure of the sentence has article the, that is called definite article the or the, plus est and most is added to the adjective. Say for example, we say ki sun is the largest source of energy. Listen carefully, I said sun is the largest. Then we can say Rohan is the most intelligent boy, the plus most plus adjective. Elephant is the strongest animal. So, we can say Kashmir or Jammu Kashmir is the most beautiful tourist place. We can say Sachin Tendulkar was the most famous cricket player. I am saying was because he is not playing. Now, this is type A when there is article the in the given sentence, when it is in superlative and there will be est or most with adjective. Like if the adjective is great, it will change to greatest. If adjective is brilliant, it will change to most brilliant. But there must be article the, there must be est or most to the given adjective. That is for me, and my way of teaching is type A sentence. Now, what is type B? In type B, suppose the given sentence is in superlative. So, what is the difference between the structures? In type A, there was the plus est. In type B, there is one of the plus est or most. So, what does it make difference between the and one of the? Now, in type B actually, what we are doing is we are comparing one noun with many from the same class. Say, take for example, suppose we say Sachin Tendulkar was one of the best cricket players. I am saying cricket players. Many cricket players are there and Tendulkar is one of them. Take for example, another example, you can say Sachin Tendulkar Baswe, Lata Mangeshkar is one of the greatest singers. Many singers are great. Out of them, Lata Mangeshkar is one. You can say Ronaldo is one of the most popular football players. Many players are famous and Ronaldo is one of them. That is the major difference between first type and second type. In type A, we have only the plus est because one noun that we talk about is almost not comparable. So, we say the largest, the longest, the biggest, the most beautiful, the most intelligent. In this case, it is one of the, means out of the many from the same class, we are talking about one noun and we are comparing. Now, once we move from type A or type B to type C, this is completely different thing. In type C, we have two objects compared. It can be two nations, two players, two games, two books, anything two from a noun section of the same class. So, we cannot compare one book with one student. We can compare two students, we can compare two games, we can compare any two from the same class. And when there are two objects in a sentence compared, say for example, iron over here and gold over here, and we can say iron is not as costly as gold or gold is more costly than iron. In that case, two objects that are two nouns are compared, and in such a case there is no superlative degree used. Why can't we use superlative degree in type C? Because we can never say gold is the costliest or iron is the cheapest. What we have to do is compare. So, we can say Hyundai car and Maruti car if we are comparing, or if we are comparing India as a nation with United Nations as a nation, if we are comparing two students or two players, we can only say one is good or one is not. In that case, no superlative degree is possible. So, we have discussed about what are adjectives, then we talked about three forms, three types of adjectives and three types of questions that appear in the paper. Now, the last point over here is, before we start discussion of transformation of sentences from positive to superlative or superlative to comparative, we must know before we write or start writing any answer in the paper, three questions you have to ask yourself when you see the given sentence. The first thing is we have to ask what noun is there in the sentence. Normally, it is the subject of the sentence, it is in the beginning of a sentence, mostly if it is superlative degree. So, noun in the sentence we have to find. Then the second is adjective that is related to the noun. Say for example, Ronaldo was fastest or best player. So, best was the adjective. Lata Mangeshkar was greatest. So, Lata Mangeshkar is noun, greatest is adjective. And the third thing that we must find, its form के बाद class word we have to find. So, what do we mean by class word? Class word simply means to which class they do belong. Suppose I say कि rose is the most powerful animal. It will be a wrong sentence. Why? Because rose doesn't belong to the class word of animal. I have to say elephant is the strongest animal and rose is the most beautiful flower. So, flower or animal, these are class word. Players for Ronaldo was a class player, singers for Lata Mangeshkar was a class player, class. So, we have to find out three things: noun in the sentence, adjective related to that noun, and the class word. Now, the next point is that we have to understand how to find out a noun from a given sentence, adjective and class word. So, I have three examples written on the board for you. The type wise I have written type A, type B and type C. Let us quickly understand how to find out three things, because once we can find out the three things, then writing answer for transformation becomes easy. Now, the first example of type A is Arijit Singh is the most popular singer. As soon as you have a sentence in front of you in the paper, or for that matter if you want to write, we must be sure about three things in the sentence. Do you remember? The first one is noun in the sentence, the second one is adjective related to the noun, and the third one is the noun to which class word it belongs. So, let us find out. I have underlined with red Arijit Singh, that is the subject of a sentence, that is the noun. If we carefully read the sentence, we will understand most is before popular. So, this is adjective. Then we have to ask what is Arijit Singh in this sentence, and the correct answer would be singer. So, whatever answer will come to this, what is related to Arijit Singh is in this sentence, Arijit Singh is actually a singer. So, singer is CW means class word. In the second example, Shakespeare was the best drama writer. As a noun is always in the beginning, that is subject. So, Shakespeare is the noun, the best is the adjective, and drama writer is class word. As soon as you are able to find out the three things, then transformation will be easy for us. Now, in type B, what we will see is Ronaldo is one of the most famous football players is the sentence. So, if you can see the clear difference between type A and type B over here, in type A when the sentence is in superlative, it has only the or the plus most plus adjective, whereas in type B sentence, it is one of the most plus adjective. So, what is the difference is there in the class word. If you clearly see in type A, the class word is singer, which is singular noun, whereas over here Ronaldo is one of the most famous football players. So, in type B always the class word is plural. Keep this in mind. This is a fantastic trick to quickly find out whether it is type A or type B. Once you can look at the class word, and if you find out a class word, if it is plural, be sure it is type B. Now, let us move to type C. Now, apple is more nutritious than banana is the sentence given. If you remember in type C, there must be two adjectives compared, one noun with another noun from the same class word. So, the first sentence is apple is more nutritious than banana. In both cases, banana and apple both are from the same class, they are fruits and they are compared. In this case, superlative degree is not possible. In the second example, she is not as intelligent as her sister. So, her sister and she both are being compared. And when this happens, when two objects that are two nouns are compared in the sentence, let it be a positive degree or a comparative degree, it is called type C. For any practice exercises or notes, please check the description box. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment box.